In his name we start. In this period we are going to continue solving some exercises about Thales theorem. We will start with exercise number 5. Read Yasmin.
Draw a parallelogram ABCD
Wait.
that
Wait. So first of all, we should draw a parallelogram. Okay? We should draw a parallelogram. Let's take a segment AB. So this is segment AB. Then we take any point and we draw a parallel to this line passing through, parallel to the segment AB passing through C. Then let's say this is the vertex C. Then we join the segment BC and we draw from A parallel to BC. Okay, this is a parallelogram. We plot the point of intersection of these two lines to get the point D. Okay, so we have a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Let's make it a polygon. Okay, this is a parallelogram ABCD. Continue, Yasmin.
any point of a diagonal AC.
Okay, we join the diagonal AC also. Okay, we join the diagonal AC and we take any point M on this diagonal AC, any point. It's not the midpoint, okay?
Yes.
So, continue.
From M, draw a parallel to AD that cuts AB at N.
Wait, then from N, draw a parallel to AD. From M, we draw a parallel to AD. Okay, that cuts, continue, that cuts AB at N.
And at N and the parallel to AB that cuts AD.
So, that cuts AB at N. this is point N, and the parallel to AB that cuts AD at P. Also,
P.
from N, we draw a parallel line to AB that cuts AD at P. Right? So this is point P. Okay, is it clear? And the parallel to AB that cuts AD at P, متأكد منه. Yes, it's clear. Okay, continue.
Number 1. What is the nature of the quadrilateral APMN?
Okay, so let's mark the quadrilateral APMN. APMN. So this is the figure. Let's take it to the board. And here we have exercise 5. Part 1. Part 1. Read, Yasmin.
What is the nature of the quadrilateral APMN?
So, required to specify nature of APMN. Okay, this is part 1. So, what is the nature of APMN, Yasmin?
Parallelogram.
APMN is a parallelogram since we have why it is a parallelogram.
Can I answer?
Why it is a parallelogram, Yasmin? Yasmin, do you have the answer? What is the reason that makes this quadrilateral APMN is a parallelogram?
Is the PM parallel AN?
جواد
Este.
شو اتفقنا؟
Okay.
Okay, Yasmin, are you back again? Yasmin?
أستاذ إذا أنت عم تحكي أنا مش عم بسمع.
Okay, بتول.
Because AN parallel to DC and PM parallel to DC, so AN parallel to PM.
Good.
AP parallel to BC and MN parallel to AP, so AP parallel to MN.
Because each two, so the reason is each two
Opposite sides are parallel.
sides are parallel. Okay, we have AP, line AP is parallel to line MN and AN parallel to line PM. Okay.
أستاذ الواي فاي عندك كتير بطيء عم يضل يعمل
parallel, MN is parallel. We are recording this session. Please don't talk. Since we have draw from M, draw the parallel to AD. We have here, and then the parallel to AB. We have from M, MN is parallel to AD. Then MN is parallel to AP since AP and D are collinear. And we have also MP is parallel to AB. So MP is parallel to AN since AN and B are collinear. Okay. So if you want to if we want to put a reason why MN is parallel to AP, why MN is parallel to AP, we have reason in point A, P, and D are collinear, and here we have points A, N, and B are collinear. So this is why this quadrilateral APMN is a parallelogram. Now, part 2. Read يا جواد part 2.
compare the مش مبينة الكلمة يا أستاذ.
The angles.
Compare the angles of the equilateral AB.
Angles of the quadrilateral AB, CD, and APMN.
Okay, so we go back to the board. Who wants to enter? Sadiqa. We go back to the board. Compare the angles. Okay, Jawad. Present part 2. Required to compare the angles of the two quadrilaterals A, B, C, D and APMN. Okay, what can we say about the angles, ya Jawad? Jawad,
Yes.
what do you say about the angles? What can we say about the angles of the two quadrilaterals, APMN and ABCD?
APM.
Okay, let's start from this angle, APM. Let's start from this angle, APM. And ADC. What do you say about these two angles, ya Jawad?
Arced angles.
Look at the two angles that are marked with yellow. What do you say about them?
العزيز ما بيعرفش نقول له واحد تاني.
Good. Renwa, what do
They
we say
are
about
equal.
this? Y
Equal by corresponding angle
corresponding angle.
CDP
Wait,
equal
wait.
للMPA.
Good. فإذا APM equal ADC corresponding angles. فإذا we start. We have angle APD. This symbol means angle APM, sorry. This symbol means the angle APM equal to angle ADC, Y corresponding. Okay, type. Jawad again. What did you say about angle ANM and ABC?
Alternate angle.
Jawad, it's the same reason.
It's just corresponding angle.
Okay, good. So, also we have angle ANM equal to angle ABC, the same reason, corresponding angles. Okay, so now we have angle P is equal to angle D and angle N is equal to angle B. What about angle A and angle M?
180.
Take angle A and the angle C. What can you say about these two angles? DAB and DCB. Opposite angles of what?
Angle of parallelogram.
Parallelogram. So also we have angle DAB or BAD equal the angle BCD. The reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Type. Now what do we say about the angle C and the angle M? What can you say about these two angles, angle C and angle M?
equal.
Equal by what? Also we have angle
Of parallelogram.
BCD equal to angle PMN. Okay? Why?
Yes.
To reason
Straight angles.
by corresponding كمان.
correspond. Yeah.
If we don't want to enter the details, we have here this angle is equal to this angle by corresponding, and this angle is equal to this angle also by corresponding angles. Then the angle BCD is equal to angle PMN by corresponding. So
كيف corresponding يا أستاذ؟
we have, look at here, MCB equal to AMN corresponding, and we have DCM equal to PMA corresponding. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Then the angle DCB is equal to the angle PMN. So look at here. We have the angle BCD is equal to BAD, and the angle BCD is equal to angle PMN. Then angle BAD, which is NAP, and he zeta, the same as NAP, is equal to angle PMN. What's the reason? Equals of equal are equal. This is therefore, finally, the angles of both farms are congruent. Congruent means equal. Okay? Right. Any questions here?
No.
No.
Continue to part 3. Compare the ratios.
Can I answer?
إيش في حلة؟
Wait, Jawad. Compare the ratios AN over AB, MN over BC, MP over CD, and AP over AD. We should compare all these ratios. So let's start with AN over AB. Let's see it on the figure. AN over AB. Yal, this is part 3. Let me raise the page. Did you finish part 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Let me make something.
Yeah.
Compare the ratios AN over AB, MN over BC, MP over CD, and AP over AD. Okay, let's go back to the board and see what's going on the figure. AN over AB. Okay, yalla ya Hassan. AN over AB is equal to what ratio?
The triangle ABC we have.
Very good.
And I'm parallel على BC.
Very
given.
good.
Capital AN over AB equal and AM over AC equal للأن over BC by THALES theorem.
Bravo. Bravo, Alec. Okay. Right. The other.
In that triangle ACD we have PM parallel على DC given.
Very good.
Will AP over AD equal AM over AC equal PM over DC.
Then, what do you say about all the ratios that are given?
RE equal.
Very good, Yaina. Like, bravo, Hassan. Excellent, Hassan. So, first we start part 3.
أستاذ عمال معروف بتقلك غنوة استقبلها.
Okay, wait. Yes. So part 3 in the two triangles, ABC and AGC, we have first MN. Like Hassan was saying, I'm grouping them in one answer. MN is parallel to BC, PM is parallel to DC. So by Thales theorem, we get the ratios. First, in triangle ABC, Thales theorem, as Hassan said, AN over AB equal to AM over AC equal to MN over BC. Okay, and in triangle ADC, كمان ratio AM over AC equal to AP over AD equal to PM over DC. Look at these two ratios. AN over AB equal AM over AC equal MN over BC. And here we have AM over AC equal AP over AD equal PM over DC. So we have two ratios are common, that are AM over AC in both Thales theorem when applied in the both triangles. We have a common ratio. So all these ratios are said to be what? If they have a common ratio, then all these ratios are
Equal.
are equal. So by deduction means from deduce. So by deduction, we have AN, the ratios, all these ratios, AN over AB equal to MN over BC. I'm keeping AM over AC, the last one, to the last one, equal to AP over AD equal to AP over AD, this one, equals to PM over DC equal to both are, all are equal to the ratio AM over AC. Okay, this was part 3. So show that the ratios AN over AB equal MN over BC equal MP over DC equal AP over AD, and all these ratios are found to be here. Sorry, here we have MN over BC. Okay, AN over AB equal MN over BC equal AP over AD equal PM over DC equal AM over AC. مش كل هودي الريشيوز موجودين هون؟ Yes, all are equal. Part 4, we don't have more time to calculate it now. Let's keep it to the other period. I'll stop recording now. يعطيكم العافية.